Hi, everyone. My name is Christine Brew, and I'm one of the technical program managers here at LAS. In this video, I'll be talking with you about the human-machine teaming area of interest, which is section 3.2 in the call for white papers. You can refer to the full call for white papers on our website, ncsu-las.org, for details on this section and the submission process. My goal today is to discuss this section of the call and to give examples of the kind of work that LAS is interested in within this area. There will also be a live Q&A session on May 30th, where I will be available to answer your questions, and I would encourage you to register for that session if you would find it helpful. You can also reach out to us at las-whitepapers@ncsu.edu, and we will do our best to address your questions. The LAS interest in this area comes from the perspective that the landscape of analysis is rapidly advancing. This involves the integration of new technologies, which form human-machine teams to perform analytic workflows. Improving the performance of these teams is a high priority, which necessitates an understanding of the strengths of human users and the strengths of automation for performing various aspects of analytic work. As technology advances, the partnership between human analysts and automated systems is increasingly crucial for national security. The sheer volume and complexity of data we need to process have grown exponentially. Automated systems, with their advanced AI and machine learning capabilities, offer immense potential. However, to truly harness their power, we must design these systems to ensure seamless integration with human analysts who provide essential context, judgment, and decision-making skills. Human-machine teaming envisions a world in which automated teammates anticipate and respond to analyst needs to seamlessly execute an analytic workflow. However, our technology is not there yet. So as we develop appropriate technologies to meet the needs of analysts, we must develop a robust understanding of user behavior as an analyst interacts with tools to complete their mission. For instance, directing a user's attention to useful data requires an understanding of the problem they are seeking to solve, steps that they have already taken, and how new evidence might strengthen the analysis. Automated technologies must provide utility to users in the context in which they work, which involves understanding the user's cognitive capacity, the mission, and the constraints of the user's environment. By studying human-machine teaming, we want to improve how automation can help analysts. We do this through interdisciplinary research and design, and we want to understand people's interactions and implementation of teaming technologies. First, let's discuss the integration of technical capabilities. I've included on this slide an image of the double diamond design and innovation process. The double diamond is one model of the process of design and innovation in which the idea space is first expanded in a discover phase, where the underlying issue is examined from a range of perspectives. After discovery, the problem is focused in through synthesis in the define phase. Next, the design space is once again expanded in the ideate or develop phase, where a range of answers to the previously defined problem are developed. Finally, the scope is narrowed once again as a small set of viable prototypes are tested before implementation. We're interested in exploring the range of potential solutions, considering the technical and operational constraints of the IC analytic environment. I've pointed to the first half of the second diamond in this model to indicate where we see projects operating within this area. Sections 3.1 and 3.3 of the call for white papers are examples of where we might want to aim our efforts, covering really that first phase, the first diamond of the double diamond model. And starting at the second diamond, we aim to develop as many possible solutions as possible. Importantly, within this area, we are not seeking finalized products, but rather to explore the wide range of possibilities that could lend utility to further refinement and development. Projects should aim to iterate with IC practitioners and technologists. We know that as AI and ML methods evolve, they bring new possibilities for user experiences and analytic workflows. At LAS, we explore these potential solutions while considering technical capabilities, operational environments, and user objectives. Design and UX teams would work collaboratively, leveraging the technical expertise and operational experience within LAS. By partnering with IC practitioners and technologists, we aim to iterate towards feasible, viable solutions that can be applied across various areas. Successful projects in this area would demonstrate a range of potential solutions with attention to the challenges put forward in sections 3.1 and 3.3 of the call, as well as the application areas. Next, we focus on user experience evaluation. This is moving on to the final phase of the double diamond, where ideas once again converge toward the implementation of a potential solution. Again, within this area, we do not expect the delivery of a final product that is ready for implementation, but rather progress on the evaluation of a range of potential solutions and guidance toward where future iterations may better align with user needs. Projects within this area should focus on selecting the best designs and features and ensuring alignment with user needs. With many novel UXs proposed by our design concepts, rigorous evaluation methods are crucial. These methods help us select the best designs, ensure that development is on track, and measure if the final product meets the original UX targets. We seek to leverage research and user experience, cognitive task analysis, design, and many other domains to conduct robust user studies. Projects should take a rigorous approach to determining the appropriate evaluation methods and metrics. Evaluations should cover multiple outcomes such as user preference, efficiency, and performance, and examine both the overall UX and specific design features. This comprehensive approach ensures our designs meet user needs and operational requirements. Successful outcomes of projects in this area would be robust user studies targeted toward challenges within the call and with respect to the context and criteria of the IC. For ideas on what kinds of prototypes might be under evaluation, see the application areas of the call for white papers, and also view the videos and project descriptions from our 2023 symposium, which are posted on our website. Finally, we put forward an interest in the calibration of trust within human-machine teams. Both overtrust and undertrust result in suboptimal outcomes. Appropriate trust levels in automated systems are vital. Overtrust can lead to uncritical reliance on automation, while distrust can result in underutilization of needed technologies. We seek projects to characterize trustworthy AI and to communicate these metrics of trust to the user. There's no single metric for trustworthiness, but characteristics like reliability, resiliency, transparency, explainability, interpretability, and bias mitigation are key. We aim to understand how best to communicate this information to help users calibrate their trust and evaluate model results effectively. This ensures that analysts make informed decisions using their machine teammates. Successful projects in this area would provide advances in research to suggest best practices for how to help our users calibrate trust in their tools. As a reminder, you can view the full call for white papers with all details regarding submission of proposals on our website, ncsu-las.org. If you're interested in engaging further with us on human-machine teaming, I'd invite you to register for the Q&A session on May 30th, hosted by our team. The deadline for the call for white papers is June 28th, and if you have any questions throughout the process, please reach out to us at las-whitepapers@ncsu.edu. And finally, I'd like to thank you for your time and attention today and encourage you to view the other videos that we have posted to better understand the breadth of interest LAS has in improving national security.